Okay guys, we are going to make some plum jelly, and as you can see, I already cut up 8 cups of plums. They're ready to go. I'm using these little red plums, and about 6 of these will equal 1 cup. So I have 8 cups in here, and I have 4 more cups right here to cut up and pit. And then we're going to put them on the stove, and we're going to make some plum pulse to go for our recipe. Okay, now we got our 12 cups of plums that are cut up and pitted, and they're on the stove, and we are bringing them up to a boil now. We added 3/4 cup of water to them. Once they start boiling, we are going to turn down the temperature and boil gently for about 5 minutes until they start like falling apart and get really soft. Okay everyone, as you can tell, it's nice and almost ready to go. It's liquefied a lot. I'm going to give it about 2 more minutes, and then I'm going to take it off and measure what I need. Okay guys, so we already measured out 7 cups of the plum pulse, and we added 1 package of powdered pectin. And now we're bringing it up to a boil. Once it gets nice and boiling, we're going to add 9 cups of sugar, and we're going to add it all at one time. And we're going to make sure to keep stirring that so that it doesn't burn. And once it comes up to a roiling boil after the sugar is added, we will cook it for 1 minute, and then we'll take it off the stove. And then it will be ready to put into our jars. And our jars are also ready to go. So okay guys, we're almost there. We're very close to a roiling boil. Look at that. And we're going to start boiling for 1 minute. Okay, so we have our little 8-ounce jar over here, nice and hot, ready to go. This is like the perfect device to use for it. And then we have this, which we've already done it once, as you can tell. There's a little piece of plum in it. Let me get some more. A little bit more. You want to leave about a 1/2 inch of headspace. Make sure we get all the air bubbles out. Okay, I'm going to wipe the rim. Put our lid on. It's nice and tight. There we go. And it's ready to go back in. Okay guys, we have our jars in here. We made 12 jars of plum jelly. We're going to lower it down. We're bringing it up to a boil. Once it boils, we are going to process for 10 minutes. And then we'll take it, we'll bring it back up, and we'll let it sit for 5 minutes. And then we'll put it on a rag and let it cool off, and then we'll label what it is and the date we made it. Okay guys, here is the finished product. We got 7 jars of plum jam ready to go.